All right. So if you've watched our older videos, you'll know that I mentioned that these things were yellow. And I think even from that video, it's gotten even more yellow. So I think what we're gonna do is I might attempt to restore these just to give it a good honest try and see what happens. And if they look good, then I'm just gonna put on my stepdad's truck right over there. But if not, no harm, no foul, because I mean, they're, as you can see, they're pea yellow right now. Well, anyways, so that's why I bought these. These were on Amazon for Amazon Prime Deal Day, and they were $300. And it's time to see what I think about them. If these turn yellow, I will riot in the streets. Never done it before, but I'm telling you, I will. So these have the red coloring, or like the red accents. I think they're lightly smoked. But as you can see, it's packaged up pretty well. Pretty dense foam, so I'm not saying that it couldn't get damaged during shipping, but they'd really have to give her the 1-2 punch, you know what I mean? 12-6 elbow. So, oh yeah, look at that. They actually wire into like the clips in the back, so there's no worry of a lot of the aftermarket lights. You'll have your O-ring and you'll have like the little screw thing that seals up. And like the aftermarket light is made just like a bulb. Like it's a wire, but it goes in just like a bulb, and it goes into that without being able to seal it off. So then you get corrosion if you don't shrink wrap it. Or as we did wrongly, I'm not recommending this, we put electrical tape on it. And it'll probably more than likely corrode. So we're gonna take that apart and redo it the right way. And we'll make a video on that, I'm sure. But for what's in front of us, let's check these bad boys out. This should be a pretty simple installation. I'm sure we'll show some of the installation on the video, but it is no joke, no more than a 2-minute installation. But man, look at those things.
Man,
they
those
actually look really good. Like they look kind of cheap online in the pictures, and I'm not really sure why, but these look really good in person. It's got like a black background, it's got the red. That looks really good, because that's gonna look really good with the red.
Ooh, that's gonna look good. All right, so you're gonna take your 7mm, in our instance, to remove your grungy looking taillights.
In fairness, I'm gonna be honest with you, I think factory, these are Phillips, because that's what come with the set. The set come with Phillips, like the lights. But, I don't know if I've alluded to this already, but when I bought this truck, I never looked at them, I guess. I know that's probably bad to say. But one day I heard a thump whenever I was driving over a bump at Walmart or something. And I get out of the truck and these are hanging. And somehow, some way, or maybe that just wasn't in there all the way at one point, I don't know, but somehow, some way it had backed itself out and the screw was gone. And it was just dangling. Like it was just pulled out dangling. So I went to Lowe's and bought a couple screws, because there was one screw left, I think, on that side. So I just took it into Lowe's and bought some more screws. But see, you'll see, maybe you'll see kind of what I'm talking about. Actually, no, this is different than what I remembered. But we've got to unhook this from the bottom of the bed.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Guess we can go ahead and do that then.
So you need to reach underneath the bed and grab this connector thing. It's hard to get on camera because the bumper's in the way.
All right, so I got back up here to see how this thing clips into place, and it looks like I just got to I was doing the right thing, so I just got to push the crap out of that. And also remember which one's left and which one's right. Are you grabbing that right now? Because the whole truck's shaking.
Yes.
Jeez. Oh, did you get it?
I got the bottom one.
What's the bottom one?
The right side. So we just need to do one at a time.
The right side. Okay. So can we pull that out now? Because I'm kind of curious of how tight that's going to be in there.
Well, there's so many zip ties.
Do you have a knife on you? Oh, I'm guessing it's up here somewhere, isn't it?
Yeah, the problem I'm having, and I could probably, oh yeah, oh, they just clip. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna scooch towards you.
All right, come on. So I've got the light in my hand. Do you want to somehow undo it? This is a pretty nice setup. Did you get it popped unloose?
I got one of them. There's one more. Oh, I'm covered in dust. That should be it.
It still feels like there's something holding it.
Let me keep scooting down.
Yeah,
Oh, because there's one more. Oh, I got it.
All right, you want to start feeding it to me? It looks like it busted into pieces because some of it landed on your tummy.
So much freaking rust. Okay, quit. Quit.
Dude, how the hell?
Ugh. It is all over me.
I don't understand how you got that much shit on you.
It's from your exhaust.
Oh, really?
It's soot. It's on.
All right, Josh, you want to get back down there? You want to use that tiny piece of cardboard?
No.
I don't know how you ended up down there, but whatever. You ready? I'm going to feed it in this hole. You want me to go slow? I can see your greasy fingers.
Be delicate.
Remember some greasy fingers.
It's soot.
This is a good time to talk about how these are wired. This is beautiful. This should not get any corrosion because it's just, there's no option obviously to put any other lights in this. So if I grab this old one.
Hold on.
What are you holding on
Oh,
for?
I thought you were fishing.
No. So we can look at this while he's doing what he's doing. So if you look, technically, you'd never unplug this because your lights at this end, you would just take out and plug in. But they're wired in the good way. I wish my headlights were wired in like this, but you can't have it all, I guess. Which then again, that'd be pretty involved for the headlights to be screwed in like that because there is multiple. I mean, you basically have to have a whole harness made. That's probably why they don't do it that way. But anyways. You might want to give it a little bit more slack because if I ever take these out, it's going to be a little tough. What the?
Here, give it all the slack you need.
Dude, this does not fit.
Huh?
It does not fit. Maybe it does. I'm just being retarded. I'm very much questioning their fitment choice on this, but I guess it won't rattle. Here, I can grab the camera and show what I'm talking about. Because on these, so if you look, these pegs are just they're just thick, like wide-wise, but they're extra thick wide-wise because they're extra thick, sorry. I looked like it was stripped or something and I was about to lose it. They're extra thick width-wise, good Lord. They're extra thick width-wise because as you can see, that right there is both directions, but it's real tall to make up the height in the little peg here. I'm really all over myself here. But if you see these pegs right here, and then right here are tall and wide. But this, they chose to just go with an extra wide clip. As you can see, it's probably kind of scratching the edge of them. Maybe you can see that, maybe you can't. But that's pretty much why I guess they do that, just to make it a super tight fit, since they don't do any in the vertical direction. I feel like I'm rambling with this one. Let me just try to get these in here. Did you get it plugged in already?
Yeah.
Oh, really? So you're just waiting on me? That's awesome.
Yep, and I unplugged the other one already.
Are you serious?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Leave that plastic on for a grand reveal.
I will. This does not like fitting. I will have to say the fit on these are, I'm not gonna say bad, they're just tight. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and say it. These don't fit very well. Well, no, they do. They're just, maybe they fit really well, and that's why it's so tough to get them in there. Don't you laugh at me. Should I put these, I should put these Phillips in them, right?
Yeah.
I am like,
Don't
dude,
you say
you
it.
are so dirty.
About to say,
So quickly.
yeah, I know.
Look at how these are weird. The way these line in are so weird. See, look, I need to go further in, but I really kind of can't.
Do you want me to push and use the thing?
No, I guess they're just that tight of a fit. Which makes me kind of moody, but at the same time, I have seen them rattle around on trucks before. Oh, and did you notice this? One of my pegs are broken.
Huh.
I didn't notice that. I don't know if we did that.
Maybe. I'm gonna plead the fifth.
It's that humidity that'll get you, son.
Not the heat. Don't mistake it.
It's that humidity. You already unhook everything? Holy cow, look at that. That is sand. Why does it have sand all over?
I don't know, but that's
Holy cow. I don't know if you saw that on the camera, but there's so much sand.
I don't know what it is, but it's all over me.
Yeah. Oh my, it's like caked up in there. I don't know. That doesn't make any sense to me.
That humidity.
It's the humidity that gets you. It can be hot as long as it's not humid.
Exactly. That's exactly what I was trying to say. All right, I guess.
You ready?
Unfortunately, I think I'm gonna get caked.
Maybe we should have done this one first, because this one's gonna be harder to hook up since it's on the top, right?
That one came out easier. Weirdly enough,
Okay.
it came out easier.
Right on.
Oh.
I see stuff falling. Can you see it?
I feel it. God bless.
He's way too dramatic.
Just like that, we're done. Actually, give me a zip tie.
Give you a zip tie?
Should have
Well, I
laughed.
scratched the paint, so now I can't charge 40 grand for this cat eye on Facebook Marketplace.
Still could.
Yeah, this one slides in a lot better on this side. Maybe that side got hit. You know what? I think it did get hit because if you stand back, you can kind of see like some weird stuff going on. So maybe someone did some craftsmanship on it. Or maybe that's why the tailgate closes like absolute trash. Either one. My hands got dirty.
Did they? I'm gonna go rub them on your leather seats.
Don't you dare. I think it's locked too, by the way. All right, you ready to stand back and do a grand reveal? Oh yeah, I didn't bring you a rag.
I know, I stole one over here.
Oh, that's pretty tight. I'm gonna go snug these up real quick. Then we'll back up and do a grand reveal.
Scrub a dub tub.
All right.
Tub.
Well, Josh, since you did all the work, you want to do the grand reveal?
I did all the work. I don't think I did all the work. Anyways, can you see it?
Yeah.
All right. These are the new AlphaRex taillights.
Beautiful.
You need to adjust this edge.
What do you mean, push it in?
Oh yeah, he's going a lot.
Oh, sure enough, Shouty. Wow. Wow, that is what you call a gap, kids. Wait, is it like that on this side? Here, let's reveal this side, and then we can adjust it. I'm gonna be honest with you, there's not gonna be much adjustment. All right.
This side's perfect.
Well, this side, it's actually, if you see, it's kind of pushing into the paint right here. But I don't think you understand how tight that thing was on this side. This is a hard job, Josh.
Those look good.
This was a hard job on this side.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, you want the screwdriver if you want to?
Yeah.
I don't think there's much adjustment. I'm not gonna lie. Look at how flush it is up there against the. That might just be some kind of in. Let's see. Oh, yeah, there was a lot of adjustment, peeps. Stop your laughing. Yeah, that was a lot better. Well, guys, that's a real easy install, especially whenever you have a red-headed autistic person to help you. Anyways, so they're in. So let me unlock. I'm not gonna lie, they're not that bright, but it is like pure daylight out here. They sequence though. Look at that. You see
Oh yeah,
that?
it's the
They
startup
wave.
procedures.
Okay, I'm gonna go crank it up. Tell me how cool it is. I'm not sure that those are gonna be that bright, honestly, Josh. We'll see whenever it gets to nighttime, but I don't think they're gonna be that bright. So that is the left blinker.
It's on
There's
hazards.
no hyper flash. Oh, both of them are on?
Yeah. Oh, that looks really cool. That looks really good.
It looks really
They look
weird
out of place.
in the camera, I'm not gonna lie. So guys, if you're watching this, I don't know if you're gonna have the audio still in here, but they don't look shaky like that. They look solid, just FYI. So, that looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. I'm happy with that.